guys! Every time we are near the festive season, brands bombard us with the Diwali sales and offers, but almost every single one of these offers or sales makes us spend money and reduces our wealth. As India's leading multi-asset alternative investment platform, we at Grip wanted to do something different, an offer that grows your wealth. So, from 14th October to 4th November, we are inviting you to bring more assets into your portfolio and grow your wealth with the Grip Diwali Jackpot. So what's all the excitement about? Well, you have a chance to win A-rated bonds worth Rs 2 lakh every week. That's a total jackpot of Rs 6 lakh. To participate, you don't need to spend any money. Just invest for a better portfolio via Grip during this festive offer. But of course, a wise investor would never leave things up to just luck. That's why we have an assured price of A-rated bonds with a face value of Rs 1000 that you will get for investments made via Grip's platform during this offer period. That's a guaranteed reward. Of course, don't forget about the jackpot. You could be one lucky jackpot winner that we will announce on Grip's social media handle every Friday during the offer period. So, forget about festive offers that aim to empty your pockets. The Grip Diwali Jackpot is here to reward you for making wise investment decisions. Participating in the Grip Diwali Jackpot is also super simple. Step 1. Invest in any asset via Grip between 14th October to 4th November. Step 2. Share your Demat account details so that the bonds you have won can be directly credited to your account. You will be prompted to share these details post your investment. So, go on! Visit gripinvest.in right now and enter the Grip Diwali Jackpot.